Welcome to our safety tutorial tailored for box truck owner-operators. Ensuring your safety and that of others on the road is not just a responsibility, it's a necessity. Here are 7 crucial safety tips every box truck owner-operator should keep in mind. Let's dive in. First and foremost, regular maintenance of your box truck cannot be overlooked. Ensure that your vehicle's brakes, tires, lights and engine are checked regularly. A well-maintained truck is less likely to encounter mechanical failures, keeping you and everyone on the road safer. Properly securing your cargo is vital. Unsecured loads can shift, causing you to lose control or even tip over. Use straps and barriers to keep your cargo stable, and always double-check before hitting the road. Box trucks have larger blind spots than smaller vehicles. Always be aware of these blind spots, especially when turning or changing lanes. Use your mirrors effectively and consider installing blind spot mirrors to improve your field of vision. Fatigue is a major risk factor. Adhere to the driving hours regulations set by transportation authorities to avoid fatigue on the road. Take regular breaks and recognize when you're feeling tired. Remember, a rested driver is a safe driver. Adapt your driving according to weather conditions. Rain, snow, and even heavy winds can affect your driving experience in a box truck. Reduce your speed and allow more time to stop when the weather turns bad. Accidents can happen to even the most cautious drivers. Ensure you have a comprehensive insurance policy that covers not only your vehicle but also cargo and potential liability for damage to others. Lastly, never stop learning. Regularly update your driving skills and knowledge about safety regulations. Attend workshops and training sessions whenever possible. Staying informed is key to staying safe. Remember, safety on the road is not just about protecting yourself, it's about ensuring the well-being of everyone around you. Keep these 7 safety facts in mind and drive